Yellow is so in right now, and with great reason. I mean, it's such a happy, bright, fun, beautiful, youthful color, and it's pretty much everything we can wish for this summer season. So if you're interested on learning how to create this beautiful look, just keep on watching. Hola mi gente, it's Mariluz here, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I post every Friday either makeup tutorials, makeup reviews, or other makeup related content to help you with your makeup journey. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this really nice, trendy yellow eyeshadow look. I mean, it's all over the internet if you haven't seen it. People either want to dress yellow, have a purse that is yellow, or even do their makeup with yellow eyeshadow. And I literally couldn't resist because it looks so pretty. Now for this look, I'll be using the James Charles palette with Morphe. I love this palette for any colorful eye look that I create. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. We are starting off with priming the eye with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Neutral. I am blending the concealer with a brush, and this time I don't set it so the eyeshadows can stick a lot better. Now I placed a tape on the outer corner of my eye, and this will guide me later on to create a nice wing liner. For eyeshadows, I'll be starting with the shade Tune, and with a taper blending brush, this one's my Sigma E40, I'm going to tap that shadow on my crease, and then I start packing and blending in windshield wiper motions. Once this color is about this intense, I pick the shade B, and with the same E40 brush, I blend that shadow on the crease. I also keep building it some more, and then I sort of pack it on the lid with the same brush. Now the key with this eyeshadow is to keep applying and building until you're happy with the color payoff. It may look kind of sheer at first, but once you keep applying the shadow, you'll start seeing the difference. Now once I build the color on my lid as intense as I want it to be, I'm going to blend the edges to make sure that everything is well blended and there's no harsh lines. Okay, so now I'm going to remove the tape and I'm going to start creating the wing liner. Now take your time, but most importantly, let that edge guide you. It'll make the process so much easier. Now after that, I apply a nice coat of mascara, and I also applied falsies. I'm not going to mention all the products I'm going to use today, so make sure you check the description box below. Now I'm taking the shade B with my pencil brush, and I'm tapping that on my lower lash line. And I'm also applying a liner on my waterline. Now this time I decided to smudge it up a little bit so it gives me like that smoky eye look. Now this is completely up to you. I do it because I have brown eyes and this just makes my eyes pop a lot more. But you can definitely skip it. Maybe just apply a liner and that's it. Now in order to highlight the look, I'm going to apply the shade Ring Light on my inner corner and on my brow bone. If you want to see more from this channel, I'm going to leave these two videos right here so you can go click on them. And if you're new here or haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification bell. That way you don't miss any of my future uploads. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in a bit.